Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to deploy your React application to Netlify completely free and super easy. By the end of this video, we will deploy this React application which is right now running on my local host, and it will be live on the internet with the public URL. So let's get started. Before we begin, make sure you have Node.js installed and a React app ready and running on your local machine. First, open your terminal and navigate to your React project folder. So this is my React project folder, stress-relief. Now run the command npm run build. This command will create a production ready build of your app inside the dist folder. This folder contains all optimized files required for deployment. Now open your browser and go to Netlify. The Netlify URL is app.netlify.com. I already logged in. In your case, you need to sign up first, and after that login you will redirected to this page. On the dashboard you will see an option want to deploy a new project. Drag and drop your folder here. Now simply drag your dist folder and drop it into Netlify. Wait for a few seconds and your site will be deployed. Netlify has generated this random URL for your website. Click on it and your React app is now live on this public URL. You can also rename your site from the site settings so that you can set the URL as per your need, like as your URL name .netlify.app. On that URL your website will be accessible. Now I will click on other pages inside this website, like this pop it page, the spinner page. So now these pages are accessible, but when I refresh this page, you can see it is now showing the 404 page not found error. Why this /widget-spinner page is not working? The reason behind it is React uses client-side routing via React router. So when you open it, Netlify tries to find a real file at /widget-spinner. Solution for this is we need to add redirection rule for this. You need to tell Netlify for any route always serve the index.html. For that we need to create _redirect file inside your dist folder. So I will create this file _redirects. Click enter. In this file add this line /index.html and 200. This means on our website, if any request coming after / redirect all those requests to the index.html. Save this file. Now again redeploy the application. Go to projects, go inside this our recently deployed application, and you can drag or choose folder from this path as well. I will drag the dist folder and drop here. So this build is again deploy. Now refresh our website with this /widget-spinner page. It should load the page. Here you can see now the page is working. check other page and refresh it. Now it is not showing us the 404 page. That's it from this video. If you found this is helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next video.